Hello, and welcome to the Quote Challenge. The game is easy. I'll play a piece of music, and you guess what it is. Then I'll give you the answer. Press pause if you need more time. Good luck. Level 1, Track 1. And the answer.
Dear John, goodbye, she said. Sometimes it's hard, she said. Dear John, I'm broken away.
Level 1, Track 2. And the answer.
4,500 times I told you how much I care. 4,500 times I told you how much I care. Problems are not the problem that we share. White lies in our eyes, together not really there.
Level 2, Track 1.
Run your fingers through my hair, sweet darling. Run your fingers through my hair. I want you when you're never there, sweet darling. Need you but I could not care. You got a long black hair on your legs and I like it smooth. You don't show me you care, you won't even move. That's why I call you.
And the answer is?
I get away where nobody goes and she finds me there. She won't leave me alone, she won't even care. That's why I call her Shady Lady, Shady Lady. I gotta get along, get along, get along with Atlanta. I gotta get along, get along, get along with Atlanta. I gotta get along, get along, get along with Atlanta.
Level 2, Track 2.
Well, come into my seat so we can move on now. I know a sweet little drum where we can jump and shout. It's not too far back on the highway, not so long to ride. You pocket going in the open, you can walk inside. A little beauty takes your hand and you can thank the man. 'Cause every time you make me sing, you find the joy in your jam.
And the answer is?
Don't let it do your heart away.
3, track 1. And the answer. Level 3, track 2. And the answer.
Oh, you're throwing it away till the very last time it's gone. Who asked you to play on my feelings, lying low in every cloud? Who asked you? I've never been the one to give you any kind of reason. Who asked you?
Well, wasn't that fun? You should have identified 6 songs in this order. Dear John, 4,500 times, Shady Lady, Carol, Long-Legged Linda, and Who Asked You? Thank you for listening. Here is some easy listening to close.
Try seeing and believing, never show the reason why. Even when we grow up and the body slow up, no